Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone and the Tiggo 8 Pro head unit. First, make sure the car's infotainment is updated and Android Auto is allowed in vehicle settings. This avoids compatibility blocks. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and open Android Auto. Use a certified USB-C cable for wired connections. Poor cables fail. Once done, plug in, accept the prompts on both screens, and keep the phone unlocked so the system can finish handshaking. Once connected, focus on pairing and app permissions so features work. You'll see permission dialogues on your phone, grant access to contacts, messages, and location for voice and navigation. Without these, Google Assistant and Maps are limited. Then, on the Tiggo 8 Pro screen, choose Android Auto as the active source. If wireless mode is available, pair via Bluetooth and confirm Wi-Fi connection. Finally, test audio routing and steering wheel button, mapping so calls and meteor respond as expected during driving. To finish, validate core features. Launch navigation, speak to Google Assistant, place a test call, and play music. This confirms end-to-end operation. If the connection drops, reboot both phone and Tiggo 8 Pro, then swap to a known good USB cable. Cable quality is the most common failure. Make sure battery-saving modes are off on your phone. If problems persist, reset the infotainment network settings and re-grant Android Auto permissions. This clears pairing glitches and restores reliable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.